So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit font, or I guess different font styles here in a Pages document. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Pages application and, go ahead and find a document of your choosing. Once that is done, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead here and just type in, this is the default text, or font, I should probably say, just like that. So I will make this a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see, just like that. Now, if you want to change the font, it's fairly straightforward. What you can actually do is just press return a couple times. Go to the right hand side of your screen to where it says font right here. And as you can tell, it is Helvetica New. That's the font by default. Now, if you were to press on this drop down right here, you get a whole bunch of different fonts featured in the Pages applications. If you want to go ahead and change this, for example, into the impact font. Now, if I were to type right here, this is the new font. It's now the new font. Now, if you wanted to change maybe a previous font, highlight a word, for example, go to the font right here. You can change that to whatever you want. So if you want to change this right here to, let's just say, DIN condensed. Now this word that was highlighted is now the different font. So you can sort of play around with and explore the different fonts of your choosing. As I mentioned before, it's on the right hand side of your screen right in front of you. So fairly straightforward, super simple, but this is how to edit the font style here in Pages. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.